Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. Today we're doing the hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge. That's 7 uploads in 7 days, 7 shoutouts to 7 different YouTube channels. If you're interested in participating, check the description below. Today's special shoutout for the hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge goes to Yes Lucan. Ciao, Jerry. Mille grazie for all your support.
Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today. We got Appies with Chappy by the lake, where I'm going to make some pizza potato skins. Now, I got the idea from my friend Jerry over at Yes Lucan. I challenged him in the hashtag Nacho Bowl 2021 challenge. Now, Jerry's from Italy, so he came up with these Italian nachos. So that gave me the idea to do Italian potato skins. So big shout out to Jerry at Yes Lucan. That's Yes Lucan. Check out his YouTube channel and make sure you give Jerry a subscribe at Yes Lucan. All right, first up, I'm going to make a Westside Manhattan. So very easy. Oh, it's Badger. Hey, Badger, come here. Come here, Badger. This is very exciting. We have a guest appearance by Badger. Badger's going to be substituting for Mookie. Don't worry, Mookie will be back next episode. Hey, Badger. What do you say, Badger? Badger says we got to get to work and make a Westside Manhattan. So here we go. All right, Westside Manhattan. I have my trusty bartender's guide. So it says 2 ounces of Irish whiskey. I happen to have some Bushmills. And then a splash of sweet vermouth. And then it says 2 to 4 drops of Angostura bitters. And that is a Westside Manhattan. All right, so now we're going to do my pizza potato skins in honor of the YouTube channel Yes Lucan. So roll the intro to Appies with Chappy by the
Appies with Chappy by the lake.
All right, so Badger and I have parboiled some russet potatoes. I kind of cut them into thirds, so it's not just the potato skins, but we have a little bit of the potato on the skins. I like my lot of potato on my potato skins. What do you think, Badger? All right, so we're gonna do these potato skins up just like a pizza. Got a little pizza sauce. And then I'll go a little bit of ham. I have some chopped sausage. And then I got a piece of Genoa salami. Coppa di Parma. And then I have some fresh buffalo mozzarella. We'll do a little bit of fresh basil and some Parmigiano Reggiano. And we're going to put these in the broiler, and we'll have some nice pizza potato skins coming right up. watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. This is Badger subbing in for Mookie. And again, don't worry, Mookie will be back. This is Chappy and Badger saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.